up? So, kamusta? Kamusta friends? Kamusta guys? So, medyo matagal-tagal naman yung huli kong upload kasi I keep making excuses. And for that one, I apologize. Also, sinishare ko tong video. Hindi ko alam pa. Unedited one kasi to eh. So, parang naninibago ako kapag purong Tagalog. By the way, I'm a Bicolano. Filipino pero mostly Bicol yung sinasalita ko. So, kapag nagkatagalog ako, medyo mabagal at medyo naninibago pa. But anyways, I make this video so that this will serve as my commitment one to regularly upload. So kung napapansin nyo sa huli kong upload is hindi consistent. More than 6 months na ata yung huli kong upload and I've been very inconsistent. Kumbaga. Yes, I keep making excuses dahil sa busy schedule. Especially ngayon, mamayang 8 AM. By the way, I'm making this video 7:47. 8 AM is meron kaming practice para sa mass dance and other responsibilities. Anyways, I promise to regularly upload videos. And to my future self, I know you will be watching this somewhere. Maybe 10 years from now, 8 years from now. I will do my best to share what I learned to become a very best teacher and a very best leader. So, I'm making this video not just about the commitment one, but also I want to share the things I am about to do. Actually, sinimulan ko tong Thyself or yung YouTube channel ko. I don't have a very deep reason in the first place. Because the only reason na ginawa ko ito is I just want my future self to be happy, to be proud, and to have no regrets. Knowing na ginawa ko ang best ko na makatulong sa iba. Maybe 10 years from now, maging happy siya. Kasi marami na akong matulungan nito. And I also make this YouTube channel so that may ma-share ako sa inyo. Lahat ng lessons ko and realizations along the way. So, para sa background ko, hindi naman talaga akong matalino, hindi naman ako physically fit. So, nakita nyo, ano pa to? Stick pa. And nag-start ko nga ako mag-exercise. Siguro 1 year na. Pero hindi naman ako consistent na masyado. Kumbaga, hindi pa ako gano'ng ka-dedicated. Pero tingnan natin. Malay mo, itong stick na to, 8 years from now, maging bulk, maging eskalado. So, the key point here is, katulad ng muscle, kapag pinaulit-ulit, naging regular, with intensity and focus, and consistent, mag-grow yan. And I also believe na ang sakuyang nag-vehicle na. And I also believe na yung aking skill sa pagkasalita, sa pagtuturo, sa pag-lead, ay mag-improve din sa consistent na exercise or consistent na paggawa nito. And yeah, that's it. I just hope na yung lessons na na-learn ko is may share ko sa inyo nang sa gayon ay may apply nito. So kung napapansin nyo sa past vlogs ko is puro ako English. Pero na-realize ko na useless naman yung pagiging pure English ko kung yung viewer ko na Filipino ay hindi naman naiintindihan ito. Maybe somewhere in the future, international na. Pero ngayon, ang focus ko lang is yung Filipino. Yung sarili kong pinagmulan. I hope na makatulong ako sa kanila. In some way, in some way. So, as my commitment, my responsibility is starting ngayon, Monday, and Friday, consistent akong mag-upload ng videos. So, para wala akong excuse at para ma-build ko na sa aking habits sa pag-vlog, sa pag-regular na upload, sa pag-post, mag-isimula muna ako sa walang edit. Katulad nito, talagang ikaw, ikaw at ako lang. At yung script ko. Ikaw, ako lang. So, wala pang mga edit. Yes, I hope na you will keep me accountable to be consistent. Katulad nga na sinabi ni Hamza Ahmed, yung very famous na self-improvement YouTuber, do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Very na-inspired ako doon. So, that's it. Thank you. And to my future self, I will make you proud. Love lots.